Welcome to EHS Knights News. I'm Ben.
And I'm Sai.
A few weeks ago, the EHS Gaming Club held their annual Super Smash Bros. Tournament. Here's Sai with the story.
On the 21st of April, the EHS Gaming Club hosted their annual Smash Bros. Tournament, inviting anyone to compete no matter their experience. Here are some highlights of these intense matches. This is the first game of the tournament. Here is another game from the tournament. This is the finals of the tournament.
How do you think this tournament went?
It was very similar to how I expected. I was expecting to get second place, most likely to beat Josh, but I was expecting to lose to Eli for sure. He did the same thing last year.
Did you think that you were challenged?
Oh yes, definitely. Josh and Eli are very fun opponents, and Eli is a person who's been beating me a lot for the past year, so.
How did you prepare for this tournament?
How did I prepare for this tournament? Well, during D block and also like second lunch, I actually played against Josh and Eli, and I saved a bunch of like replays of the games I had against them, and those replays helped me a little bit.
Did you have a fun time?
Oh yes, 100%.
How do you think this tournament went?
It was pretty good. It's always a little slow waiting because I tend to win, so I just have to wait for people in the losers bracket to win their matches, but other than that, I always have a great time.
Did you think that you were challenged?
Yeah, Greg is a really great player, but I just play the game like all the time.
How did you prepare for this tournament?
I play the game like all the time, and working on my mentality a lot for like being anxious around crowds, so I guess just that.
Did you have a fun time?
Yeah, it was great.
Here are the winners of the past tournaments hosted by the EHS Gaming Club. This is Sai reporting for EHS Knights News.
New murals are being painted around our school. Here's the story.
Here at Ellington High School, there are many murals around our school. Each represents a different aspect of our community, connections, and displays the creativity we strive to convey. In the History Hallway, we see a mural that depicts important events in our history, like the Declaration of Independence, the first moon landing, George Washington, and the painting of the Mona Lisa. In the Science and Math Hallway, we have planets and math symbols. Not all murals focus only on school curriculum, but on finding and making art in our lives. Not all murals need a defining meaning, as it can impress upon others differently, impacting us and diversifying our school. Recently, the business teachers wanted to have a mural as well. Mrs. Ledoux gave the story on how this process goes.
So the two other business teachers and I noticed that around the whole building there were some beautiful murals done, and we noticed our hallway was quite empty, so we had the idea of putting a mural in our business area. So I contacted the two art teachers, and we coordinated a couple of students that they had that could do the mural. We sat down with those two students, Paulina and Hannah, and we had ideas, they had ideas, we came together and we came up with a Monopoly theme because we were all about money in the personal finance area here. And they've been working on it for quite a few weeks, and it's coming out awesome.
The murals also leave a bit of the students at the school for generations to see.
So I like this painting right here because the middle one reminds me of the maze.
And we love that this mural explains that it doesn't matter what you do in your line of work, you're always a hero to somebody and make a difference in somebody's day. Right, Tyler?
Yeah.
As you can see, the murals at our school are a very important part of connecting the students in our community.
Senior decision day for college has recently passed. Max and Michael have the story.
This is Max and Michael, reporting on seniors' college decisions for EHS Knights News. What college are you going to?
Western New England University.
Why did you choose this college?
They're giving me a lot of money.
What is your major going into it?
Teaching with a concentration on history.
And do you have any post-college plans?
Probably becoming a teacher so I can have money.
What college are you going to?
Mitchell College in New London.
Why did you choose this college?
To play soccer with my brother.
How are athletics going to make the college experience different?
I think there's a lot of support on the education side, like when you're an athlete. So it might be a little easier to organize my time and stuff like that. And I think I'm going to have a lot of fun playing soccer because I wasn't really done with my soccer career after Ellington High School. So I'm super excited to play, and I feel like it's definitely going to make my experience better.
What college are you going to?
I'm going to UConn.
Why did you choose this college?
I chose UConn because it's cheap and it's really close to home.
What's your major?
Computer science.
Okay. What is your post-college plans?
Hopefully to become like a software engineer or something like that.
What college are you going to?
I'm going to Sacred Heart University.
Why did you choose this college?
I really like the campus and the people. It's really nice. I chose it for athletics mostly, and I like the education there.
Okay. How are athletics going to make the college experience different?
Well, so I'm going for track and field, and they have a really good program and a very good facility, and like a lot of benefits for athletes there.
All right.
This has been Michael.
And Max for
Ellington Night News.
Colton and Dom have been cooking up something good in their segment, The Professional Cooking Show. Let's see what they're making today.
Hi, I'm Colton.
I'm Dom.
And this is The Professional Cooking Show. Today we're making a peanut butter silk pie. We got the Cool Whip, confectioner's sugar, peanut butter, pie crust, and half a block of cream cheese. And we're making the pie. In a large bowl, beat the peanut butter, a quarter cup, half a block of cream cheese. Because a normal block is 8 ounces. This calls for 4 for some reason. And pack is just difficult like that. Get in.
You want some help?
No, I'm good, man. I think. Put that in there, in the trash. And then a cup of confectioner's sugar, which is a lot. That is definitely a lot. You want to pour the confectioner's sugar down? Then we mix it until smooth. I don't know.
Do you know how to use that?
Yes.
I don't believe you.
We just mix until smooth and combined. In the meantime, we'll prep our crust. Did we put too much? One cup confectioner's sugar. That is what it says.
That's like it's grainy in there. It's really grainy.
I think once we put the what's it called in. All right, so we have to just get rid of that, and there we go, pie crust.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's mixed. Just gonna put that guy right there, and that's what it looks like. Oh, there we go. That one. That's what it's the base of what it's gonna look like: cream cheese, peanut butter, and powdered sugar mixed. Then what we're gonna do, mix this entire container of Cool Whip, or whip topping, we're not sponsored, into the container and just fold it in. Just gotta fold it in. It's all over me.
Look how man.
Oh. All right, so just mix it up a bit more. Just in it goes.
Wow.
In it goes. I'm not gonna lie. All right, and there you go.
Wow.
Pie. So we just take this guy and we put it in the fridge for 2 hours, and there you go. We will be back when it's done. And we're back. It's been 2 hours, and we have to take the pie out the oven, or the fridge. Pie out of the fridge after it's had its 2 hours of cooling, and look at that. Look at that. Which one? That one. Nope, that one. Look at that absolute masterpiece of a pie. All right, so now just to finish it off, we're gonna put a little bit of chocolate syrup. Just gonna put it on top. Just do a nice little drizzle. And there you go. Peanut butter silk pie.
Thanks for watching EHS Knights News. We'll see you next time.